I'll be showing you step by step how you can let customers enter in a discount code during their checkout process so you can give them things such as 15% off. So let's start things off here on our Shopify homepage. What we're going to do is create a brand new discount code. Then we can go and test this to ensure that everything is working. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on the discounts option. You can see I have some existing coupon codes here, but what I want to do is head to the top right and click create discount. Now you're going to get quite a few different options, such as free shipping, amount off an order, buy X, get Y. But for now, I'm going to select amount off products. So the first thing you need to do is create a discount code. If you're doing the manual method, you can also have automatic discounts. So let's say it's just 15% off for this product applied automatically. I'll put discount code and I'll just call this spring 20. And it's going to be 20% off their order. And I'll set this to apply to all my products as it's in my all products collection. There's going to be no minimum purchase amount. So I'll put no minimum requirements. It can apply to all customers. You can use this an unlimited amount of times. And I'll set this to start to today. So I'll hit save in the top right here. And that's going to create my discount code. Next, I'm just going to click this copy icon here. Let's open up a version of my Shopify store. So let's go and add something to my cart. I'll click on a product, click add to cart here. I'll click view cart next. This will bring me to my cart page. Next, I'll click checkout. And this is where customers can enter in a discount code. This should be enabled automatically for every Shopify store. And on desktop, it's going to be right here under discount code. And there's going to be an apply button. So if I paste my coupon code here, I can click apply and I can see it has been applied for the order going from $8.90 to $7.12. A customer can remove this coupon code by clicking X. Now I've just opened up some Chrome tools here as I want to resize this window and show you what it looks like on mobile. So for customers on mobile, this is going to be automatically enabled as well, but the coupon code option is a little more hidden. And so if you ever get any questions, the way customers can find this is by clicking on show order summary. And you're going to see the same discount code option. So if I go and paste that coupon code, spring20, then click apply, and I now have the coupon code applied for that customer. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can see how profitable you are in just one click. It's going to give you your revenue, cost of goods sold, transaction fees, all your ad spend from all your different accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as your transaction fees and any other monthly expenses. It's going to break everything down into an easy to understand dashboard with tons of analytics and metrics so you can start making smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left here. There's also a link in the description below that will bring you to the Shopify app listing. So make sure you check that out and start your 15-day free trial. So this is going to conclude the video here on how to apply discount codes in your checkout process for your Shopify store. We went over how to create a discount code and how to apply it on desktop and mobile devices. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.